What's up, my YouTube friends? Johnny V here. Downtown, Old Town Davie. This is Davie Road here, and up there is Griffin Road. Got Davie Motorsports here. Wanted to document some of this new construction they got going on. I think one of them's a condominiums or apartment. I think it's gonna be like condos. I think it's gonna be like condos for purchase, but I'm not sure. I saw a picture of like the artist rendering what it's supposed to look like. But I mean, they tore down a few buildings. I forgot what it was now. I think one of them was a gas station. I think the gas station is gone. This is the Davie garage here. Do people really do check cashing? Is check cashing really still a thing? Checks cashed. I mean, who writes checks anymore? I'd love to know who writes checks and what kind of checks are they cashing there. Over there is the Bergeron Rodeo Grounds. A lot of cowboy stuff's going on over there. A couple times a year, maybe 3-4 times a year, they have big rodeos. The rodeo grounds. There's people riding horses everywhere. So if you come into an event, this is where it is. The Bergeron Rodeo Grounds. I don't know what that is. It's probably part of the rodeo. Part of the rodeo grounds. Administration building, maybe. It's $2.50 a shirt. Wow. That's the Wednesday special. $2.50 the laundry or shirt. Oh my god, that's kind of expensive. I thought it was like 99 cents. These buildings are going up really fast here. They're on the what, second, third, fourth. They topped it out at the fourth. It's gonna be 4 stories. And also palm readings. Do people really do palm readings? Tarot card readings? Life coach and counseling. Really, they do it all there. You get your tarot cards read and your life coach at the same time. The gas station is still open. Maybe they need to do a renovation of that gas station. You need to like tear it down and start over also. Yeah, we can look at the artist rendering. The picture of what it's supposed to be looking like. Oh, they got a little... Oh, it's going to connect to the other side. What is that little bridge connecting to? I don't know what that little bridge is connecting to. Oh, it's cool though. Try not to get run over. Look at that little bridge. How they have a cowboys. That's gonna be super cool. It's probably gonna be super expensive. Probably $2,500 a month for rent. But it's probably gonna be super nice. I mean, who wants to pay $2,000 a month for rent? So if you're living here in a year or two, this is what it used to look like. I guess they're gonna paint those bricks. I don't know. If they're gonna paint it, they probably would have mixed it in the concrete, I guess. I don't know. Maybe they're gonna leave it that color. A lot of people are working hard out here, I know that. Maybe 100 people. I was up at 6:30 this morning. I was headed to Walmart, and guys were getting ready to come to work. I guess they start at 7 a.m. They're getting out of their trucks and stuff, getting out of their cars. And I remember when this was just like, man, this is going up fast. Maybe 6 or 8 weeks. They're putting this up fast. That's probably more than 6 or 8 weeks, but it just seems like it's going fast. They're working every day, you know. I'd love to have the insight of what's really going on here. I mean, like, the person in charge, I mean, they really got to know what's going on. It's going to connect these two buildings. Where's the gas station? I don't know. I'm lost where the gas station is. I guess that gas station is going to be closing down soon. Got the Wells Fargo Bank over here. Tactical firearms. And a smoke shop. When you got your gun, you got your smoke shop, got your bank. I mean, what more you need? A lot of guys doing that, chiseling concrete off. I guess you pour the concrete and then you chisel it off. Is that how it works? I don't get it. Seems like you power chisel it off. This has been nothing for a long time. Been out here 4 years and this has been nothing the whole time. I think it used to be like a Wendy's, but it's been closed for 4 years. And this diner up here is closed down. I guess they're getting ready to bulldoze it. I don't know if they're gonna build another one over here or what. Medical spot, I don't know what that is. A little another cigarette shop, barber shop, suites for rent. And ice cream, and mostly ice cream place. They sell other stuff, so like ice cream shakes. They got a old store in there that sells like kind of old knickknacks. I don't know what to call them. Just like old time stuff, like stuff that your grandma had in her house. And they, when grandma dies, they just put that stuff in a box and throw it away. Well, they're selling that stuff in there. This is recently closed down. They got these do not enter, no trespassing signs. About a week ago it closed down. So we're in July 2025. Flashback Diner closed down July 2025. A lot of the things have a lot of cowboy stuff here. There's no cows around here. Nowhere close, but since it's a cowboy town, it's supposed to be a cowboy town. They have a lot of cow stuff. There's a decent little pizza shop here, and a bird shop, and a gym called Challenge Fitness. Challenge Fitness. I never seen anybody in there though. I guess it's only open certain hours. And here's a little condo. I think this is a condo building here. Underneath they have a fitness studio and some other kind of restaurant. I can't really read it from here. Something always new. It's like something new every couple of months. Now open. Plugs. Whatever kind of food they sell in there, I don't know. See if I can read the sign. It says, I can't read it. Protein, oh, it says Protein House. Okay. I finally got to read it. There's an orthodontics shop here. Dentistry and orthodontistry. Dentistry and orthodontics. Napa Auto Parts. Little cafeteria here. Los Paisanos. Los Paisanos. It's the countrymen. So that's what it translates to anyway. The countrymen. Paisa. Paisa is like a country person. I think it's Colombian. That's a Colombian word. They use that word a lot in Colombia anyway. Paisa. People of the country. Los Paisanos. Pretty sure it's Colombian style food. Not been in there once, but I don't think I ate. I was looking for somebody. I don't know what happened. Subway. I didn't even know they had a Subway there. They must do very little business. Another gun shop. Phone and computer repairs. iFixit. Little gas station's kind of expensive. $3.16 for the cheap gas. Of course, you got a Burger King here. Aja Coffee House. Yeah. Sandwich Company and Juice Bar. I can't read it. The sign is in script and it's hard to read. I guess if I was right close to it, I could read it. Another condo building. Got parking in the backside. It's pretty big, actually. I didn't realize how big it was. 4 stories. 4 stories must be the code here. Nothing goes higher than 4 stories. Or maybe you need special permission because it's kind of about 3 miles from the airport. A little thumbnail. This has been vacant for a long time. La Rural Mexican Grill. I wonder if it's any good. I have to check it out one day. I mean, I'm a really picky eater, so. Here's a bunch of schools. Elementary school, middle school, all the schools you need. But we are in July, so there's no school going on. Another cell phone place. Another cell phone fixed place. I mean, how much people really getting their cell phones fixed still? I thought they were like, when your phone breaks, you buy a new one now. I mean, it's gonna cost you $100 to get it fixed. You might as well just sell it for $100 if you can, and sell it for parts or something and buy a new one. I'm not spending money to get my phone fixed. I'm sorry. This is the Zona Village. I just wanted to do not really a documentary, but it's like a progress video to show the progress where we are in July 2025 and how much progress I've gotten done. I'll do another video next month at the end of August and see how far they got. Oh, August the 11th, first day of school. Wow, that's only 4 weeks away. 4 weeks away. Have a great summer. August 11th, first day of school, the Nova Eisenhower Elementary. Nova Eisenhower Elementary. Alright guys, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't, and all that good stuff. I'll see you on the next video. Blackjack's Rum Bar.